Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Tech It's Simple. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can redeem your Kobo's gift card. Keep watching the video till the end to redeem your Kobo gift card. Firstly, go ahead and launch up your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in kobo.com/redeem and make a search. You will end up on the redemption page of Kobo. To redeem your Kobo's gift card, enter your PIN code and tap on Submit. Make sure that you are logged into your account, then click on Proceed as mentioned and tap on Verify for the verifications. This is how you can redeem your Kobo's gift card quickly and easily, just in a few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.